One.
Hello, you guys. It is your girl, ShayMarie. I am back for another video. How's everyone doing this beautiful Friday morning, January 19th, 2018, you guys? I am so excited that you decided to stop by and take a look at what I had to talk about today. Yes, we're going to talk about repairing your credit and accepting a 90-day challenge with ShayMarie. So, I don't want to talk your head off really. What I'm gonna do is share a video of some friends that I'm working with, you guys, and they're gonna explain what the 90-day challenge is all about. Okay, so go ahead and watch this video.
90-day credit repair challenge. The reason why you're seeing this video is because you inquired, you raised your hand, you said you wanted more information about being a part of the 90-day credit repair challenge. Well, the 90-day credit repair challenge is exactly what it sounds like. 90 days of challenging yourself to better your credit. But don't worry, you don't have to figure it out or wonder how you can better your credit if you don't have the skill set, the knowledge, the know-how, because we have all of that work already done. What I mean is we already have a step process, a system, video tutorials, documents, everything you need in order to succeed at bettering your credit over the next 90 days. Now, hopefully you commit to yourself for at least 90 days on bettering your credit. However, you're not in any type of contract commitment in order to, better your credit. So if you decide that you wanted to quit or cancel, there's no penalties associated with you quitting. However, if you commit to yourself, then you may realize that you want to get overall personal financial success and take it a step further. What we're using to better your credit is a system called the Smart Money Kit. And I'm going to go into the inside so I can show you exactly what you'll get access to. And that way you can get right back with the person to let them know, hey, I'm ready to take on the 90-day credit challenge. Better my credit, better my finances overall. All right, tune in. Welcome to the Smart Money Kit. The Smart Money Kit is an educational training system that empowers people to build credit, eliminate their debt, and grow their cash flow. In our current system, we are offering 750 Credit Plan. 750 Credit Plan is a detailed do-it-yourself credit repair education training. Inside 750 Credit Plan, you will find over 2 hours of credit training. You will learn what financial aspects affect your credit score and how you can enhance your credit utilizing score building techniques. The Smart Money system also offers 750 monitoring. With 750 monitoring, you're able to track and monitor changes in your credit. If there are any significant changes or suspicious activity, you are immediately notified. 750 monitoring offers one of the lowest cost points in the industry for credit monitoring. For only $23.95, you can get 6 months of credit monitoring coverage, or for only $34.95, you can get a full year's worth of credit coverage. In addition, at any time, you can order one credit bureau report with scores for the low cost of $4, or all credit bureau reports with 3 scores for the low cost of $8. Many times, people are unaware of derogatory items that show up on their credit report until they actually apply for a loan when it's already too late. 750 monitoring keeps you in the know. Finally, the Smart Money system offers our award-winning income shifting strategy training. Here you will learn how to add more cash flow into your household. Under this system, you will learn how to find extra dollars through 2 strategies: minimizing expenses and W-4 adjustments. These 2 strategies can put hundreds of dollars of positive cash flow back into your pockets. But our income shifting strategy doesn't stop there. Once you have discovered your positive cash flow, we can use that cash flow to rapidly eliminate debt using our debt eliminator calculator, which snowballs your debt down to 0. With positive cash flow and 0 debt, you are then directed to our financial calculator, which will show you just how quickly your money can grow for you and produce assets that can generate passive income for life. The Smart Money Kit is a comprehensive kit that empowers people to build their credit, eliminate their debt, and grow their cash flow. You now have access to that empowerment.
So, as you can see, everything is already put into place. It's just a matter of you getting access to it. Now, once you get access to it, we'll add you to a private group where you'll be able to dialogue with those who are implementing the strategies and having success. So don't worry, you will not be on your own. However, if you're ready to get going, depending on when you're watching this video, you can get started for just $9.95. That covers your first 30 days, and then it's $34.95 a month going forward. So if you carry out the 90-day challenge, then you should see some success in your credit. But however, if you want to take it another step further and better your finances overall, as well as building your credit even more, stick around and we can help you do just that. So $9.95, depending on when you're watching this video. If all of those slots are no longer available, then you can get access for $34.95 for your first 30 days, and then $34.95 a month. Literally pennies in order to better your credit. And understand, there are no contracts, no commitments. You can cancel at any time, but we ask that you commit to yourself, dedicate at least 90 days at the bare minimum to yourself in order to better your credit and better your finances. If you're ready, get with the person who shared this video with you and let them know, look, I'm ready. I can make a decision for myself, and I'm ready to go ahead and better my credit. If you're not interested, let them know, hey, thank you, but no thank you. I'm not interested. Either way is perfectly fine with us. Remember, it's your credit. We just want to help you make it better. See you on the inside.
That's right, you guys. So it is your credit. We're just trying to help you make it better. We're trying to help you. We want to empower you, give you some financial education and financial empowerment. We weren't taught this information in school, you guys, and they don't teach it in college, really how to manage money and how to not get in debt and how to have a good credit score and how to maintain a good credit score and credit report, you guys. So you will learn all of this information. This membership will give you access to so much more than just credit repair, you guys. So what I am going to do is leave a few links in the description area for you to take a look at uh, all of the what do you call it, features, should I say, that you get along with this membership. You'll get a free cash flow manager app that you can download to your phone. It keeps track of all of your expenditures and expenses, and also the money that you have coming in. It tracks your mileage for you, when you're out and about driving, and it's for business purpose. I mean, this is what you need, you guys, in order to have financial freedom and really be able to live financially independent and not have to depend on a job. And the first step definitely is getting your credit in order. So I'm going to leave a link to that information in the description area of this video. If you are ready to go ahead and get started, you guys, you can definitely click on the join link and get started right away for $34.95 and $34.95 every month thereafter. Also, if you have some questions and you need some answers, feel free to reach out to me. Um, you can reach out to me on Facebook, Instagram. You can definitely send me an email if that's what you choose to do. And I also have my number down in the description area if you want to send me a quick text message. I will respond back to you within an hour, you guys. So definitely get with me if you have some questions. Other than that, you guys, I hope you like the information that you are receiving on my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell next to the subscribe button so that you can get notified every time I put out some more great information to help you succeed and have financial independence and a more abundant life. It's your girl, ShayMarie. I'm here to help you win. Thank you for stopping by. I'll check back with y'all on the next video.